How to return items on AliExpress. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Tap open your AliExpress application firstly in your device. If you have not signed up, make sure to sign up into your account. Now to return your items on your AliExpress, you can tap on the account option at the bottom of your dashboard. From here, you can check out the option of orders or tap on view all next to my orders. In here, you'll find all of the orders you have placed so far. If you want to return the item, you will see a return button next to the item. Just click on the return button. After which, depending upon the product, you may have to verify why you actually want to return the product. You may have to justify them with their reason, as well as you will have to provide them with a valid proof. Regarding the refund, depending upon the item and the seller, you may receive full or partial refund. And that is how you'll be able to return your items on AliExpress. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.